Check out this car and the conditions it is in. 1979 Ford Thunderbird. This particular vehicle has had 2 owners. Second owner purchased this car in 1986 and has had it ever since. Purchased it from the original owner. A little over 40,000 original miles on this car, and it shows. Very nice car. Looking for one to get in, turn the key and go. This is it. An extremely nice driver. Powered by 5-liter 302 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Some very nicely equipped. As you can see in 79. Thunderbird's had the headlight covers that flip open. Riding on the original alloy wheels, white wall tires. You can see how straight this thing and the condition of this paint. Just what you'd expect for a 40,000 mile car that's been well taken care of. It's hard to believe that this car is 40 years old, judging by looking at it. And there'll be a few imperfections here or there in the paint. And it's not perfect, but is it very, very nice? Absolutely. Especially if you're looking for a 2-owner, low mile 79 Thunderbird. Check out the still pics too. You can see the underside, see the interior engine bay. Check out the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see how solid this is. Had an interesting roof on these. It's called a wrap over roof. They called this here a basket handle roof line. That set this car apart away from the LTD 2 and Cougar. So it made the Thunderbird a little different. That upper window on the side. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire about transportation to where you're located at, or have any specific questions on the car. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check this one over, look at it a little closer. Check out those still pictures. I'll slip around and show the interior too. Original red cloth interior in it. Again, look up and down this side of the car. Very, very nice shape, very straight. Not full of a ton of nicks or scratches. Original door cards, carpeting, fabric, all that original. See the seat belts have a little bit of fade up towards the top where they would have been. Sun shining through the side windows. Other than that, you can see quite stock inside here, just like the way it would have come. Dash is not all cracked, or the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and start this up. Notice when I was in here earlier, clock also works. Get the glare off there for you. Radio also works. There's your miles, 40,937 or 932 is it? You can hear how smooth this runs. I have not had the AC blowing cold, by the way. Did play around with that a little bit, but did not have it blowing cold. I'll pause this and pop the hood too so you can check out the engine bay on this. See how nice and tight it is, and all stock underneath there. Let's pop the hood for you. Alright, there we go, hood pop. You can see everything is intact in there as far as air conditioning. Power brakes, power steering, and again, nice and tidy, like what you'd expect out of a car with 40,000 miles. It's 40 years old. Nice tidy engine bay with stock 5-liter 302 under there. I'm going to slip around to the back of this so you can hear it too. Just kind of what you'd expect out of a stock 79 Thunderbird. Nothing crazy. Not blowing any smoke or anything loud and obnoxious coming out of there. Just a good old nice driver quality 79 Ford Thunderbird. There you have it one last time. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Well, like I said, give us a call with any questions you may have. 507-386-1726, 79 Ford Thunderbird, 2-owner car, 40,000 original miles.